Welcome guys, welcome to Morix Trading Institute. This is a live stream session on the Forex market. So very quickly, if you're just joining me, you can drop it in the comment. Alright guys, so we did analysis on GBP USD few days ago, and currently I think I'm monitoring it from my phone, and I guess we're good to go. So here's what I was seeing on GBP USD. On GBP USD, I did the analysis. I said from this key point here, this very area here, I was looking out to see price give us a push to the downside. So we actually currently we are on bearish move, and you can see how the market is somehow looking choppy and not so beautiful for another entry execution. But however, we have a structure here, we have this here, and then we should, if you haven't jumped into the trade yet, I think price is coming back to this key level here, and then you find your entry opportunity to short the market to this level here. So here's our target, guys. We're targeting this area here. We are targeting this level, expecting price to come to this very support here. Okay, so we're expecting price to come to this very support here, and from here we are moving all the way. Now here is it, guys. Looking at the chart on the 4 hours time frame, all currently on 15 minutes time frame, so we have this level here, right? We have this area here, price broke structure here, moved up, consolidated for a while here, and then it broke the structure here, and we have price, retrace back to the origin, this very origin here. Let me zoom it clearly so you could see. So we had price returned back to this very key area here. There's another block here, so it returned back there. You could see it tapped into it and it retraced back. So we are experiencing this move to the downside because price tapped into this level, and currently we've broken structure here, we've broken a structure here, and then we are currently looking at price retracing back up, and we move we execute our entry for a sell to the downside. So that's what we're looking out for. Peradventure, if price violates this support level, I don't know if you can see and if you can hear what I'm saying. Peradventure price violates this support level, then what we should be looking out for is to see price come to this support here, this support level. Okay, this support level, because currently we have price broke this structure. It hasn't completed what it is required, and what is that? Price returning back to the origin that broke the structure. And we could see two key areas here. So we have this major one below, and we have this one here, but I feel this one will serve as an inducement. That's what I feel. I feel it will serve as inducement because price is most likely coming to this down one, the one below, before pushing all the way up. A second, guys. So right now we have price at this level here. I actually took out my profit and I'm expecting to see another entry opportunity, but let's see EURUSD. What is on EURUSD? So we have this on EURUSD. On EURUSD, price broke the structure here. Price broke the structure here, and we're looking at price returning back to this level here. We're looking at price returning back to this level here, or possibly, you know, considering this resistance level here. Okay, so we have these two levels, but if I see a confirmation, at this level here, for example, now this is how my confirmation works: a pushback, higher high, higher low, higher high, a break of previous low, a retracement back to the origin, and an entry to this level here. Okay, so this will serve as my take profit area, my first take profit area. Once price retraces back to this very point here and gives me a confirmation with a break of structure, okay, a break of structure. This is a break of structure, guys. Once it breaks the previous low with this, a push like this, and I would look out for a retracement back as a way of confirmation, then I will sell to this point here. So basically what I will be doing is a short, so something like this. So something like this, guys, and peradventure this doesn't work out. Sorry, I'm doing a wrong cloning. So I have this, peradventure the first doesn't work. So on GBP USD, sorry, I am actually looking out to see price, you know, give me a confirmation. Basically this area here, this is my area of interest at the moment for a short ride to this support level. thank you guys for joining, and this is just a brief one to let you know my focus on GBP USD and EUR USD. Let me check XAU USD and see what XAU USD is doing. So this is XAU USD. On gold I'm looking out for price coming back to this area here. I'm looking out to see what gold come back here and gives me a and for it to give me a confirmation basically. So my focus is gold. I'm looking out to see what will play out at this very area here. So basically there is no confirmation entry for me yet, and this is just a summary of what I'm looking out for, and then it simply means that I will look out for a counter entry opportunity, if at all I will, on gold. Then out for